In this video, I'm going to show you how to monitor internet traffic in the Ubuntu command line interface, also known as CLI. We're going to begin by installing a tool called vnstat, which is a CLI-based network traffic monitoring tool. If you're not logged in as a root user, you'll need to start off the command by typing sudo space apt space install space vnstat. Once you've typed this command in, hit enter on your keyboard. In a few seconds, the vnstat tool will be installed on your Ubuntu Linux machine. Once vnstat has been installed, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to monitor your network traffic using the vnstat tool. The first command will show the traffic for a year, the next one will show per month, after that I'll show per day, and then lastly per hour. So first let's check the traffic per year by typing the following command, vnstat space -y. Once you've typed this in, hit enter on your keyboard. Now in my case, because my VPS is brand new, I've just literally set it up for this video. At the bottom of the CLI, we'll get a response that says no data. Timestamp of last update is same for the 1st of March, and then the time as of database creation. Like I said, this is a brand new Ubuntu Linux VPS, and therefore I don't have any yearly traffic logs that vnstat can pull. So when you do install vnstat, you'll need to give it some time for it to monitor your traffic for an entire hour, for an entire day, for an entire month, and for an entire year based off the command time that you want to monitor. Now I do have an older virtual private server that has been running vnstat for quite a while, and I'm going to open the CLI window for it now. So let's type that vnstat command again for the year, vnstat space -y, and then hit enter on your keyboard. And as you can see, we have data on this old VPS. For the year of 2026, keep in mind that 2026 has just begun really. We're in March right now at the time of this video's recording. You can see it gives you a nice table. From the top left it says RX, which stands for received or downloaded. We have received so far about 3 terabytes for 2026. The TX or transmitted traffic, also known as uploaded, is about 3.2 terabytes, and the total traffic, which is RX plus TX, is 6.2 terabytes, with an average rate of 11.2 megabits per second. The estimated for the entire year of 2026 will be 19.3 terabytes RX, TX is about 20.6 terabytes, and the total is almost 40 terabytes of traffic. Let's check this VPS's traffic for the month. Type vnstat space -m and then hit enter on your keyboard. And as you can see, it gives you a monthly breakdown. The first line is January, the second is February, and the third is March, which has just begun, hence why the traffic is so low. The estimated traffic for March is at the bottom here. Let's check vnstat for the day. So type vnstat space -d, then hit enter on your keyboard. It will then tabulate the daily traffic for 30 days. So you can see it all here. And then lastly, I'm going to show you the hourly traffic on this VPS by typing vnstat space -h, and then I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. And there you go, it gives you an hourly tabulation for a full 24 hours. And that pretty much concludes the video using vnstat to monitor your internet traffic on the Ubuntu CLI. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you want to support me and my channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?